Hello friends, welcome back. In this session, I will quickly brief you about the elevator pitch. What is elevator pitch? What are all the points to remember when you are going for a hackathon or a product funding or going for some events where you will get some investors for you? What is that elevator pitch all about? How do you use it? That's what this session is all about. I've been doing a lot of elevator pitch for my hackathons and related stuff. So with that experience, I'm going to give you some inputs in this next 5 minutes. What's elevator pitch? It is a very brief, short speech that outlines an idea for a product, service, or project. You are going to outline an idea for a product or service or project, right? So the name has been given from the notion that the speech should be delivered in such a short duration of an elevator ride. You will probably get the time of 60 seconds when you want to use the elevator from one particular floor to another particular floor. That's the time maximum that the investor or your jury member has for you. Now, a good rule of thumb says that the elevator pitch should be approximately 30 seconds long, maximum can be 60, which means that you should be crystal clear about what is your product all about, what is your idea all about, how are you going to tell that very clearly is called elevator pitch. The investor may not have time, the judge may not have time. You need to tell them very clearly what your idea is in 30 seconds to 60 seconds time frame. Who uses it? The project managers, the sales marketing guys, the job seekers can use the elevator pitch. With the elevator pitch, what you are doing, you can market yourself. You can sell your products through the elevator pitch. Entrepreneurs use the elevator pitch to generate funding from the angel investors. So, anybody who wants to project their project or self or the product or they need funding can use the elevator pitch. Now, the contents of the elevator pitch. What are all the contents that you need to have in the elevator pitch? You should start by introducing yourself quickly and provide a summary of what do you do. That's a very important thing. And explain what do you want. You need to tell them what do you want and finish with the call to action. Now, please understand, the call to action is a very important statement here. When can we meet next? Can I have an appointment is the question that you should literally ask the person from whom you are expecting fund or support or job. It's like you should start with introducing yourself, quick summary of what do you do and what for you are meeting him, explain clearly what do you want and finish with a call for action. Why your solution is unique, what is the advantage that it has got over the other competitors in the market, your glimpse into the earning potential that you are going to get through that product. All this can be quickly highlighted. But again, you need a lot of practice for this. You cannot just like that go and hit the floor with the elevator pitch without practice. You need to definitely have practice here, so please practice. You must have for what is the description of the users, who, the description of what the users need, the name of the product you should have, is a description of the type of product that you need to have, that compelling benefit, what is the benefit that you get, unlike the description of the competitive advantage, what is your primary difference. All these have to be presented if you are going for a product pitching, funding related thing. All these have to be done. So remember, it's a short, very concise, quick discussion that you make with the guys who are going to help you out with anything that you want. Keep it concise, practice, and you must have practice before you go into pitching. What's in this conversation for me? This will be the first question that the investor's mind will go on with. So try to impress them and may your elevator pitch win. Thank you very much for following my channel and the content. If you have any questions on this, please ask me. I'll be glad to assist you. Thank you.